What's your name, young lady?
Mia.
Mia who?
Kritzer.
Oh, all right. And when is your birthday?
May 13th.
Oh, and how old are you now?
6.
Now, what's going on?
I have a loose tooth.
Let's see. Step backwards a little into the light. I'd like to get a really good look at this tooth. Is that the one that's loose?
Oh, yes it is.
All right. Let's see how loose it really, really, really is. I'm zeroing in on it right now. All right. Now, wiggle the tooth around. Oh, good. That's a good picture of it. Oh, that tooth is so ready. I want to show that to Grandpa Dudley. He's going to be utterly amazed. All right. Is it going to come out right now? Can I video it coming out? It's not quite ready, huh? Ah, could this be on film? Ah! Okay, that's 1 minute of tooth wiggling.
Wow.
See you later.
See you later.